In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save in OneNote. Unlike traditional applications like Word or Excel, OneNote takes a different approach to saving your work. You will notice there is no Save button in OneNote. This is because the application is designed to automatically save your notes as you type and edit. As you work, OneNote captures every change you make in real time. This means you can focus on your content without the worry of losing any information. The lack of a manual save feature is intentional, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that your notes are always up to date. Now let's get started with the Windows version of OneNote. First, open OneNote on your computer. This should bring up your existing notebooks or allow you to create a new one. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. Once it's open, you can either create fresh notes or edit any existing content. You will see that as you make changes, OneNote is continuously working in the background to save everything. This automatic saving feature is crucial because it gives you peace of mind knowing that your notes are secure, even if you forget to save them manually. Next, continue working as usual. There is no need to pause and click a save button because OneNote has got you covered. You can type, format, and organize your notes freely, and any updates you make will be saved instantly. This design allows you to concentrate on your ideas without distractions. You may notice a small icon indicating that your notes are being saved, which reassures you that everything is captured. Now, when you are finished using OneNote, you can simply close the application. You do not need to worry about clicking a save button before exiting. Your notes will be there the next time you open the notebook. This seamless process is one of the benefits of using OneNote. It allows for a smooth transition between sessions, ensuring that all your hard work is preserved effortlessly. If you want an extra layer of security for your notes, consider backing them up. While OneNote saves your work automatically, creating a backup is a good practice. To do this, open OneNote again if it's not already open. Once you are in the application, go to the File menu located at the top left corner. This menu gives you access to important settings and options related to your notebooks. From the File menu, select Options. This will open a new window where you can configure various settings for OneNote. Here you will find the Save and Backup section. Click on Save and Backup to view options related to saving and backing up your notebooks. This step is important because it allows you to manage how your notes are stored and backed up. Now you will see the option to back up all notebooks now. Clicking this will create a manual backup of your notebooks. Alternatively, you can choose to configure automatic backups for added convenience. Setting up automatic backups ensures that your notes are saved at regular intervals without you having to remember to do it manually. It is important to note that there is no Save button because OneNote continuously saves your work in the background. This feature is designed to make your note-taking experience more efficient. However, remember that saving and syncing are different processes. While saving happens automatically on your device, syncing uploads changes to OneDrive, SharePoint, or Microsoft 365. This is crucial for accessing your notes across different devices. Finally, if your notebook is stored in the cloud, ensure that you are connected to the internet. This connection allows your latest changes to sync across all devices seamlessly. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your notes in OneNote without the stress of losing your work.